Welcome to Ajastro Mini Guru, your trusted platform for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we will delve into the pepper market, where domestic and Vietnamese pepper prices are on the rise, driven by a combination of global recovery and local factors. Let's take a closer look at what's shaping this market. In India, pepper prices have rebounded strongly after facing significant lows. Over the past few weeks, major domestic markets in Kerala and Karnataka have seen an upward trend, with prices recovering by 1,200 rupees per quintal from their recent declines. This recovery is not just a local phenomenon but is closely tied to a global resurgence in pepper prices. Key producing nations like Indonesia and Brazil have reported price increases, which have provided a much-needed boost to the domestic market. Additionally, the end of the harvest season in India has brought stability, offering further support to prices. Currently, in Kochi, the price of ungarbed pepper is pegged at 63,200 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is being sold at 65,200 rupees per quintal. For 500 gl pepper, prices hover around 62,200 rupees per quintal. In Karnataka, the situation is equally optimistic, with prices ranging between 63,000 rupees and 65,400 rupees per quintal, depending on the region. Areas like Kushalnaga and Chikamagalur are seeing slight variations, but the overall trend remains positive. Favorable agricultural conditions in India have played a key role in this recovery, with farmers reporting encouraging prospects for the current harvest season. Meanwhile, in Vietnam, the pepper market is also showing signs of revival. Prices have climbed by 500 Vietnamese dongs to 1,000 per kilogram over the past week, now ranging between 142,000 Vietnamese dongs and 143,500 Vietnamese dongs. Interestingly, despite limited stock and relatively low export demand, the Vietnamese market has managed to maintain stability for nearly 8 consecutive trading sessions. This reflects not only the resilience of the market but also a gradual recovery in global pepper demand. The international pepper market, too, is witnessing an upward trajectory. Free on board, FOB, quotes from major producing countries highlight this trend. Brazilian aster pepper is priced at 6,150 United States dollars per metric ton, while Vietnamese 500 gigaliters and 550 gigaliters pepper are quoted at 6,200 United States dollars and 6,500 United States dollars per metric ton, respectively. Indonesia's aster pepper is trading at 6,679 United States dollars per metric ton, and Malaysia's FOB price stands at 8,400 ringgit per metric ton. These rising prices underscore the global recovery, driven by tighter supplies and improved market sentiment. Looking ahead, however, the market dynamics suggest that this upward momentum may be tempered. Both India and Vietnam are gearing up for their upcoming harvest seasons, expected to commence in December and January. The arrival of fresh stock is likely to ease supply pressures, potentially limiting any sharp upward movements in prices. While domestic prices have been influenced by the global recovery, the availability of significant stocks in the market will act as a balancing factor. Thank you for joining us on Ajastro Mini Guru. We hope you found this detailed analysis insightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth updates on commodities. Stay informed, and let's navigate the market together with Ajastro Mini Guru.